Everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com coming to you on the road again. This time I'm in Los Angeles, California, and it's going to take me a little time to upload this. I'm afraid I've got a slow connection, so in order to make up for that, I'm going to make this fairly brief. And basically, for the past 2.5 days, even though this formation is at a place where I would expect resistance, we've got to respect what has gone on for the past roughly 2.5 days, and that is the formation of what appears to be a bull flag. Okay, so we made our targets up here at 1392. And I was thinking that perhaps when we break this, we would start to really head down hard like we've done in the past, but we have not. When we broke this parallel line right here, I was thinking, well, now it's about time for the wheels to fall off, but no, we just kind of scooted on sideways. We've got this line right here, which is the neckline of this small inverted head and shoulders pattern that could serve as some resistance, rather some support. And there's something else going on here. If you'll give me just a second to get the chart set up to show you, my connection is really not very fast. And all I want to show you is this. The pitch on these lines has been very steep. It could be that what we're seeing happening is we are getting the formation of a channel that actually starts here, and we would also get a parallel line to that. Where's that parallel line? Right there. You know that, you see what I'm saying? This could be what we're dealing with. And to be frank with you, we will not know until this bull flag plays its hand, tips its hand to us, and shows us that this is a setup to take the S&P higher than what we might have been originally expecting. And if that is the case, then I think we could be setting up a potential back test on this line right here. That's a distinct possibility. But guys, really the long and short of it is this. The past 2.5 days looks like a bull flag. And pardon me, the numbers have dropped off to the right of the page here. My laptop is very cumbersome to do these videos on, so we're just going to have to live with that we can't see the numbers right now. I cannot adjust that on my laptop because I'm in full screen mode and I can't get to what I need to do to make that adjustment. But basically all we need to know going into tomorrow is to look at this to see if indeed this is going to play out as a bull flag. And if it does, then we could be bouncing around the 1378. Well, we could bounce right here. So let's just keep our eyes on these two lines. If this one goes and we start to take out, let's say 1372, then I think that should be, one would think that would be enough evidence to expect some significant downward pressure. But right now, the market just doesn't seem to want to give that up. Instead, it looks like it wants to consolidate, as evidenced by this pattern that has formed over the last 2.5 days. By the way, I forgot to tell you, and I need to always tell you this, that this video and the website are for educational purposes only. Please don't take it as investment advice. Look, I know these patterns work with amazing predictive powers at times, but I also know that there is absolutely no way anyone can guarantee success on any given day using any given system. It's always going to eventually mess up. So I don't want to be responsible for that. You got to do your own homework. If you want to make this video part of your homework, fine, but only if you're willing to accept the responsibility for your own actions and not blame the messenger here. So, guys, that is it for today. I wish I had more time to spend on this. I'm hoping that I'll get in tomorrow evening at an hour to where I will be able to do a video for you. My flight gets back into Atlanta, and it's a bit late, but let's see how that works out. So, what are we looking at for tomorrow? Potential bear flag. Excuse me, potential bull flag. Not bear flag, potential bull flag. Let's see how that pans out. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care.